As part of associations, memberships, and certifications, one of the big things that we deal with day to day is e-learning and the ability to incorporate an LMS system or certification model within your certification, membership, or association. Now, the e-learning model is really powerful because this can be a huge value add within your association as part of your membership offering, to be able to offer members access to a deep set of knowledge that your group, your association, your membership group gets. And we can, based on the role of the user or based on individual user overrides, associations to specific companies, etc., the hierarchy can be literally unlimited. We can associate different access to different e-learning. Now, this is really, really powerful because this can include things like sending notifications, being able to let members know that, hey, if you were a member of this upgraded membership, you would get access to this upcoming course. Things like that can really help with members continuing to promote throughout your membership levels and sort of grow in their depth of knowledge and their capability within the field, and reciprocate by keeping their memberships long-term. And that's really the name of the game with e-learning side of things. We want your members to get extreme value from their membership and from the association that they're part of with you. Now, one of the other things that we can do with this e-learning is tie this back into certification. Depending on your model, you may have a certification process, and this e-learning can be really vitally important to prove that the user has actually completed the certification, that they've actually gone through the training, watched for a certain time. Depending on your particular scenario, these may be requirements. They may be legal requirements that the members have to meet. If those are any of the needs that you may have, you're going to want to typically look for a vendor like Clarity, who has the ability to conduct deep integrations to LMS systems, or to leverage a built-in LMS system like we offer within our e-commerce platform. Whether you're working with a system like a Moodle or other open source LMS platforms, or a API-driven LMS platform like Talent LMS, for example, you're going to want to make sure that you have access to the different APIs like SCORM API and some of the newer technologies. Really, any of the API platforms that are popular, you're going to want to verify that your vendor that you're working with can actually work with those. We do work with all of the latest APIs for LMSs, and frankly, we can make APIs for you if you are leveraging the LMS that's built into the Clarity e-commerce platform. The big takeaway, though, that we want you to have is thinking about some of the different questions around, can your different roles and members have specific access to e-learning? Can you show an expiration date if you want? Can you show a completion or progress if you want? Do you have the ability to make recommendations based on tabular data that possibly deep learning or machine learning is digging into and providing for your members? Ultimately, you're probably going to be thinking, like I would say most of our members, membership and association groups do, that you want to provide the utmost value for your members, and you want to help them get access to what will be the most valuable. So who are you going to partner with, and how are you going to sort of set up and plan things out so you can get the most value for your membership or association? Hopefully some of these questions will help you to think about how you're going to do this, and some of the visualization of it will as well. Ultimately, there are a lot of options, and you're going to want to work with someone who can help you explore those and decide on the best practices for your situation. With that said, thank you for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.